Hey lovelies, welcome to another tutorial. So today we are going to be making a side rosette turban with satin. Enjoy.
Hi guys, so welcome to another tutorial. So today we want to make a turban, okay, and I've already done started it, okay. I just want to couple it together, and this is a strip of fabric that was just gathered, you can see. So just gathered to make a rose, okay, to make a rose. So and this is the turban base, okay. This is the turban base. This is turban base. I'm going to link a video on how to make this. So as you can see, this has elastic at the back, okay, and this is the inside, you can see, okay. So I'm going to set this aside and I'll continue with this. And we also need some trimmings, alright. Also need some trims, okay, because I use this on the dress, so I need to replicate it. And I'll be using some embellishment, right? So and also we need our ribbon, and then you also need this, okay. So let's get started. And you need your thread, right? So I'm going to complete this, and I will also put one or two of the lace on it. So I'm going to couple this together, right? So this, I'm going to send a link on how to make your rose. This is just a regular rose, okay. So I'm going to just start wrapping like this. So I'm going to wrap this like this. Okay, something like this, and I'm going to use this. Okay, so this is it. So I just wrap it and pack it. Okay, so I'm going to pack it down. Okay, so as you can see, if you want, you can make it puffy. You can do it like this, alright. You can just have something like this, okay. So make sure the insides are locked, okay, that is not showing, okay. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it. So now this, you can put it on your mannequin head to see, okay, like this. Put the turban on your mannequin head. All right. I'm going to put this. You can put it on the side if you want. Alright? So I'm going to put it like this. And I will take my pin. Okay, so I'm going to do this. So as you can see, can you see what it looks like? I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to tag this down, right? I'll tag this down. I'm going to tag this off the camera and show us what it looks like when I'm done. You can see I've attached it, okay, neatly. See, this is just a simple design, alright? Perfect for party, and it will show your look very well. So I'm going to set this aside, and I'll see how I can incorporate this into the design. All right, so the measurement of this is 12 by 15. All right, it's just a leftover, so I'm going to fold it like this. Okay, fold it like this. All right, don't worry, it's not equal, but I'll use it like this. So just fold it and then start doing this. All right, need to knot this. Okay, and I'm going to just do something like this, and I'll tap it down. Okay, so this is it. See, because I don't want it to look too plain, I need the, so I'm just going to tap it around the side, or better still, I'll take my glue gun, so I'm going to apply glue generously. So just put it there and press it down. Press it down very well, right? And there you have it. Okay, so the next thing for me to do is to embellish. Right, I'm going to use some of this, and I'm going to embellish the front. Right, so I can use this. Okay, but what I usually do is, if I'm using this glue, because it doesn't stay strong, I'm going to use this on the edges. So you use this on the edges, use a stronger glue on the edge. Set it aside, and I will use this. Alright, dry for few seconds. So once that dries, I'm going to incorporate it, this, because this is a smaller piece. I'm going to use this kind of glue. Alright, I just put it on this. Alright, okay, so this is a bit dry, so I can decide to put it at this side, but I'm not putting it there, so I just want to put it around here. Alright, so I'm going to take this, okay, so and mix the usage of the glue. Okay, so you can see. So I'm going to take a picture of this, and I will get back to us. And so see you in the next class. Ciao.
Like and subscribe for more videos.